Hey folks, this cool front is so close. Look to the north. It's 55 degrees in Corpus Christi right now, 65 in Falfurrias, 67 in Laredo, 46 in Victoria, and 49 in Houston. And south of the front, we're in the upper 70s and low 80s. Question is, how much farther south is that front going to go? That's the kind of million-dollar question. Look farther to the north, it's only 37 in Dallas. You get a lot of clouds right along and behind the front, and some out ahead of the front right here where we are. But look how they've seen some rain on and off much of the afternoon in Corpus Christi. Stuff continues to fire off to the west, and over the valley, it's been just a mostly cloudy situation. But now we're seeing some light rain and even a couple of showers, real legitimate showers showing up, especially out in parts of northeast Hidalgo County. Some stuff coming into western Starr County, everything moving eastward. So a passing shower certainly a possibility tonight into tomorrow. We're seeing them already. We will continue to see them. The front likely to probably sneak down to right about the middle of the valley and then turn around and go back to the north. We're not going to drop into the 50s or the 40s with this front. The second one, that's a different story. So front number one, sitting just to the north of us right now, it kind of sneaks in tonight but stalls right on top of the valley, and that's 7 o'clock in the morning. So temperatures may be a little cooler tomorrow morning than what they were this morning, perhaps into the 60s across a lot of the valley. May stay a little bit warmer in the lower valley. And then the front turns around, goes right back to the north as a warm front. And tomorrow afternoon, we're back in the upper 70s, perhaps even low 80s across the area again. So the front will have an impact, but it'll be very, very brief and not like what they're seeing up north. Maybe trigger some more showers, some light showers while it's in the area. Move forward to Saturday, another day with a mix of clouds and sunshine, another very warm day with temperatures back up into the 80s, well into the 80s. And Sunday, warm again, but lurking off to the northwest. Here comes the front of March fronts. It's going to be really chilly behind that front. Before it gets here, 30% chance of rain tonight into early tomorrow. Once the front goes north, the chance goes away for a while. Then with the next front on Sunday, chance of rain goes back up. Let's see where we are right now as far as temperatures. Tonight, I think we drop into the mid-60s. So that's a little cooler than last night because that front gets down around here before it turns around. So we cool off a little bit. But then tomorrow, back up around 80 or so, low 80s in some places, but maybe not quite as warm as today, but certainly not in the 50s like what they're seeing in Corpus Christi right now. And look at the next 3 days. It's up, up, up. 89 on Sunday, maybe 90 plus in some places. Then the front comes in, and by Monday we're only in the 40s. So the front stalls right on top of us, then moves back to the north. Then we wait for the one that's up here. Wait for it. It's not here Saturday, not here most of Sunday, but by Sunday afternoon, that front's able to push southward, push through the valley. Once it goes in, temperatures will plummet. And after being close to 90, maybe above in some places on Sunday, we're looking at mid to upper 40s on Monday, about as big a cool down as you can see, and not a whole lot warmer than that on Tuesday. If you're traveling tomorrow, get your weekend off to an early start. Cold in Dallas, 36, 50 in San Antonio and Houston. Most of the state doesn't warm up all that much. We'll be upper 70s, low 80s, but 50s and 60s. That next front still to the north. The weekend will be a whole lot colder. So for tonight, 65 for a low, mostly cloudy, light rain, drizzle, a little fog mixed in. Southeast winds briefly turning to the northeast at about 6 to 12. Northeast wind early tomorrow, back around to the southeast late in the day though. Mostly cloudy skies, a spotty shower. Temperatures up around 79. So here we go. 79, 87, 89, 49. A 40-degree drop, but we've still got the air going down. Temperatures could drop from there. We stay cool on Tuesday, Wednesday back to 58, and by Thursday 75. Some models say we may see a little sun on Tuesday. If that happens, it'll warm up a little bit more. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.